Hey guys, welcome back. We're here to do another episode review of
Demon Slayer.
Season 2.
episode 1.
I don't remember. Who cares? It's the name of the sound.
Mitsubishi Toyota.
We're gonna just jump straight into it. There's really not much to say. We saw the first episode of Flame Hashira before the train arc. We already saw the movie, so there's really no point in us watching the train arc. I'm not about to live through that sad shit all over again. So I'm just here to get started with some new sad shit. So let's just kind of get started with this, and yeah.
Shut the fuck up!
Really? Low-key don't want to live through this shit all over again.
I see why girls simp over him.
Who, over Akaza? Mm-hmm. Hell yeah, I was simping over him.
I was gonna say, normally I don't try to simp over the bad boys, but that's a lie. Oh,
you simp over nothing but bad boys.
Shut up.
You should have pulled out the pistol.
The means I'm at a Sasuke, I'm at a chakra, but I'm not at an option.
It wasn't nothing. He wasn't at his full strength.
That's even worse. Like, he's not tripping. Look at him. Does it look like he's tripping? Did he ever sweat or breathe heavy that entire fight? Fuck no. This was nothing to him.
And we've
seen firsthand how strong Rengoku is.
He almost had him too. That's the crazy part.
Also, hopefully this episode will answer that question: how the hell did he get his sword back?
His bird.
Because he chucked that shit. You think he's gonna have to go back to the sword maker and get that and have him make another one? Because he low key almost stabbed him the last time.
Like super sad.
Yeah. Oh, I'm scared. Don't be sad. Oh my god.
I'm really about to cry.
I'm already emotional, man. Goddamn.
Even you're crying.
My heart.
They ain't shit for starting us right here. Gave word to his little brother and his dad. His dad.
I ain't about to cry. I'm a grown man. Anime is stupid. This is for kids.
Swear to God, I think he's related to Muzan.
Show something happy. I don't like this either. Who walks up a ladder like that? Can you steal the book?
You even check that shit out?
I need a library card.
Ain't that crazy? You go to the library to rent books. Well, his music is beautiful.
I composed it.
NANI?
Okay.
Is that supposed to be the Hashira when he was a kid?
Because I say he looked like we familiar. Oh, that's dude, the leader.
You think so?
I can see it now too. I looked at his face.
Like you said, he has a disease. He can't go out in the day.
Well, he's hella out in the day though.
A skin condition. Oh. Oh.
Is that a
Oh.
What the fuck? What? That's why he looks fucking familiar.
Ah!
So you just got yourself as a little kid? What the hell?
That's why skin condition. He can't go out during the day. He's a demon.
What?
Damn. Sheesh. What the name was one almighty push with a finger?
Pointed.
They gotta pay for that book.
So what's going on, bitch? Like, what do you... You can't even go out in the daytime. Chill. Did he just kill Akaza? No, okay. He just punched the hell out of him.
With his fingertip.
That's fucking scary. Because we've seen how powerful he is, and that nigga.
If you could just go like this.
Son, this power gap is huge as fuck.
So see what happened to it.
Okay, yeah, he's definitely gonna need him to make him a new one.
Third time's the charm?
He's gonna get assaulted by this nigga. Because he already tried to stab him last time. How in the fuck are they supposed to get strong enough to beat this nigga?
Fusion.
Son, it took them like how many weeks, months to do the gourd thing? When they were healing from the last battle with the spider nigga? They're back at Shinobu's house?
Well, I'm pretty sure they're hurt.
Steve was still crying.
Yeah, why's it bleeding like that?
Oh my god. Yeah.
No, fix the face. Fix it now.
You don't really need to fix the eyes. Like, slap his face. Slap his face and like, let that shit like roll back in the face or something.
Ah.
Yeah. Oh, just done. Oh, this nigga drinking. And that's a big ass jar of sake.
俺は鬼殺隊の
Oh shit.
Everybody's recognizing those earrings.
Yeah.
の使い手だな。そうだろう。火の呼吸。
Okay.
うるさい黙れ。お前、俺たちのことをバカにしているだろう。初めに生まれた呼吸。
Oh.
最強の見業。そして全ての呼吸は火の呼吸の派生。全ての呼吸が火の呼吸の後追いに過ぎない。火の呼吸のさるがりをし。
Interesting. So this nigga literally has like 2 whole ass breathing techniques.
Yes.
今俺が自分の弱さにどれだけ打ちのめされてると思ってんだ。こらもっと私を
I know that hurt. Oh, you out of there. Oh, okay.
It don't matter. That first one.
Headbutt attack. One that catches everybody off guard because that shit's solid as fuck. Timber. Okay, but he gonna respect him now though.
Why do they do this?
I can't.
That's crazy. He's knocked out and you gave him sake and he's like, oh.
No, he said his dad got up and went to go get some sake.
Oh,
once
okay.
he
I
came
was about to
to.
say, what the fuck?
父がよく見ていた書物には心当たりがありまして、これは
What?
Oh, what the fuck?
申し訳ありません。
Damn. You know, he's beating himself up for this, but it's not. It wouldn't have mattered because Akaza wasn't tripping. He literally was just toying with him. He didn't want to kill him.
自分ができる精一杯で
He was just trying to enjoy the fight. So him being stronger for an instant, even if he was on Rengoku's level for that moment, it wouldn't have made a difference.
What?
What?
兄の日輪刀の唾です。
Oh.
いただけません。こんな大切なもの。俺は
Yes, take this reminder of your failure with you. Matter of fact, put it on your new sword.
That's gonna break.
You think he's gonna put it on the new one?
Where does a new earring?
Just one big ass earring. Just went to the side.
さっさと出ていけ。
Tell him anyway.
Just say it.
Man up and say it.
体を大切にしてほしい。
Yeah, I'll take it. Let it out.
Yeah.
Let it out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Asshole.
Let it out.
Asshole. Yeah. Feel that.
What the? Was that a JoJo?
Oh,
character?
he's so upset. I told you he's gonna try and attack him and stab his ass.
Why he flexing like that? What's up with the roll on the feet?
Oh. I keep forgetting that's what he looks like under there.
Yeah. What? I forgot to look like that.
Do they always look like that?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I don't remember that.
I ain't mad at it.
Inosuke seems to be in better spirits.
Okay, that threw me off for a second.
Push-ups.
I know, but still, it says that still threw me off for a second.
Okay, but Zenitsu's looking kind of buff though.
Damn. So they've been training. Damn.
Damn.
Shit.
Yo, they ain't playing.
What kind of workout plan is this been on?
ねずこちゃんの髪を一房くり。
What?
How buff is?
These niggas is on that.
P90X. So they've been training and going on missions. I was gonna say, can it wait till morning?
How was that thing over training?
Made you?
You think he's gonna kill him?
Ugh.
I don't think he's gonna kill him.
Oof.
Water. Oh, straight down. Just kidding.
What?
うるせえな黙っとけ心のままに
Well, this just got intense.
なんとか言えっての地味なやつだな
Okay, never mind about the intensity.
Oh.
いや群がられている捕まっ
Damn.
Yeah, he's like, I'm not about to fall for that shit. Oh shit, he still got him.
てめえの放つみたいな頭突きを食らうと思うか葵さんたちを離せこの人さらいめ
What?
お前が認めないから何なんだよこの下っ端がじゃあいらね
Yeah.
このようなざまで地味にグダグダしているから鬼殺隊は弱くなっていくんだろうな
In your unflashy way.
俺たちだと
Didn't even notice him.
Okay, that little cross was cute.
How'd you go from super
I
intense?
hate these niggas, bro.
そうだ絶対俺に逆らうなよお前ら
Sexual
I
harassment?
don't know how I feel about that.
I'm confused. What just happened?
I have so much I want to say.
What happened?
This
I
nigga
need to
is-
know.
This nigga is off the chain, yo. I thought he was gonna put one of them. All right, we're off. Try and catch up and like dust these niggas. Like, keep up.
The entertainment district where demons reside. You know? Yeah,
Yeah.
those are all his wives.
Alright, tell me make some paper, yeah.
Okay, cool.
That was a lot?
That was a lot.
A
That was a
lot.
lot. It was a lot of sad shit, but it was also some.
It
funny
started
shit
off
in
so sad.
there.
So
I didn't
so
want to
sad.
I didn't want to relive
I
that shit.
cried.
I didn't want to relive
I
that shit and then
definitely-
move forward with it because we have to move forward.
Huh,
4 months
God.
later,
Because the whole point of him going on the train to even see him in the first place was to
To
meet
train.
his family. No, to meet his family.
well, still, but yeah.
And then his family's like around the corner from where they were already fucking at. So it's like,
Hell
what was
funny. What the fuck is the point of me getting on the train?
the fuck? Like,
I got on
you
the
tell me these
train.
niggas was down the street?
You know they over there around the corner.
God damn.
They got ripped.
That was great.
These,
That was great, but it took 4 months. I mean, that's about right, because I mean, I guess
these
you
niggas
can't,
drinking
I guess you can't
protein
have no-
shakes, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. They was doing sit-ups in their sleep.
Yeah, I got nothing else. It's just,
Yeah, Mr. New Guy's interesting.
yeah.
With the ass back.
That was weird.
'Cause- okay, so here's the thing. I feel weird about it because
He
I feel
gives
like
off very
I
much
feel like
so
she's
BDE.
I feel like she's a teenager.
He gives
Yeah,
up
they're
very
a
much
teenager
so
for sure.
BDE.
But still,
The hell fucking old are you?
Oh,
Fucking-
he's only like 20
yeah, because remember,
over. I think they said that he's no older than like 25.
everybody's young. Everybody's young. You gotta remember that. They're all teenagers-ish.
It feels weird. It just feels weird. It just feels really fucking weird. But I love that he saw that headbutt coming. He was like, man, I'm not falling for that shit. I saw that shit happen when we had the meeting. I'm not about to fall for that and get knocked out. No, thank you.
I learned my lesson.
Yeah, no, he hella jumped out the way of that shit.
He did. With 2 people.
The way he threw
Hella
her.
fast though.
No, the way he threw her.
Ah,
She's like, I don't. He's like,
She's not wearing a
I
uniform.
don't even
He said,
either.
what?
I don't need it.
And the way she just,
And then these facial expressions, oh my
he
god.
dropped me.
Yo, I don't know which ones are worse, these or Mob.
Oh, man. Oh. That's a good one,
That's
because,
a good one. They're both terrible.
because Mob be having some terrible
Oh
ones.
my god, they turned
Their
they
facial
turned from
expressions.
anime to like Dilbert characters. I was like, what the fuck?
Some like Wiggly Line type shit.
So I'm like, what? Like,
Yes.
why are you a Muppet? Like, what's going on?
You got a high definition to
Oh
like
my
old school
God,
bubble TV.
Yes. I'm gonna show you later. But
Old school
oh
big
my
booty
God.
bubble TV.
Yes.
Yes, like it was terrible.
It's like, why?
For this-
But it's hilarious.
Yeah, but for this, it's just like facial expressions and shit.
Are
The facial
killing
expressions
you.
be wild. Like, come on, bro. Like, why you got to like
After we
Roger
have better
Rabbit
than
cartoon eyes
that.
spinning around? Like,
Yeah, this was a good intro episode.
On to the next then.
So
Yeah.
until next time.
Don't forget.
I know what it was.
What? Okay. Rewind.
Y'all know what to do with other business. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and
Hit
subscribe.
that notification bell for more updates as we update because we will keep updating.
And until next time.
For episode 2.
Follow us on Patreon and
Oh.
our socials. And until next time, we'll be here.
Hey, we're rusty, alright? It's been a minute.
Right.